Hey P4 pupils, this is page 72 of your book. So you may want to get ready your book and we are going to run through a few examples using the book together. Let's go to page 72, question number 10. Jane had 2 identical cakes. She ate 1/3 of a cake. What fraction of the cake were left? Now, obviously, you know that this is a question about subtraction. You have 2 cakes, you add 1/3 of the cake. Now, I'm not sure if you have watched my videos about addition and subtraction of fractions. So, I will have done it in this way. I will split this up into 1 whole and 3 out of 3 here. So, 1 whole, 3 out of 3 minus 1/3. 1 whole minus no whole here, so it's still a 1 whole. 3 minus 1, 2. Now remember, denominator got to be the same. So this will be our answer. What fraction of the cakes were left? 1 whole, 2 over 3. Next, let's try another question. Page 73, question number 12. Okay? Let's make this a little smaller. Peter jogged 3 kilometers. Nathan jogged 7 over 10 kilometers. Who jogged for a longer distance? How much longer? Now, if you look at this, Peter jogged 3 kilometers is a whole number. Nathan jogged 7 over 10 kilometers is a fraction. So obviously, a whole number is definitely a bigger number than a fraction. So definitely, who jogged for a longer distance? You can write down Peter jogged a longer distance. How much longer? So how much longer means you need to compare their distance. So 3 whole minus 7 over 10. Now do you remember, I'm going to split this up again. 2 whole, 10 over 10. Why 10 over 10? You still remember? 10 over 10 is 1 whole, 2 plus 1 whole, 3 whole. So 2 whole, 10 over 10. Minus 7 over 10. 2 whole minus no whole, so it is still 2 whole. 10 minus 7, you get 3 over 10. Remember, denominator is still the same. So how much longer? 2 and 3 over 10 kilometer longer. So that will be your answer. Okay? Now, the last question that I'm going to do as an example is question number 14. In a race, Mr. Tan jogged for 9 over 10 kilometers, then he swam for 4 over 5 kilometers. What was the total distance that he had traveled? He jogged 9 over 10. He swam 4 over 5. So they want the total. Total is to tell you to add them up. So 9 over 10 plus 4 over 5. Now look at the denominator. Always remember to make the denominator the same. Times 2 times 2. So 9 over 10 plus 8 over 10. So we have a 9 plus 8, 17 over 10. Remember to do your long division. 17, 10, 10 times 1, 10. You get a 7, R7. So this is your whole number. Your fraction, 7 over 10. So what is the total distance? ANS, total distance will be 1 whole, 7 over 10 kilometers. Do you understand this now?